My taste family, welcome back to Mo's Taste YouTube channel. Today I am sharing with you a tantalizing, a crispy beef soya recipe. So you want to begin by putting your washed beef into a pot. Yeah. Now when you do that, you're gonna go in with your preferred seasonings. I'm using some salt, some scotch bonnet peppers for some heat, a lot of onions. Please emphasis on a lot of onions. Some garlic and ginger also. Some all-purpose spice by Brainz seasoning, and of course the star of the dish, the soya spice. I got mine from Fresh Flavors by Queen. So you're gonna add it. When you do that, you're also gonna add your a tiny bit of seasoning. I'm using some Maggi Craving. You can add like half Maggi Craving on it. When you do that, you're gonna mix everything and I cover the pot so that the meat is able to sweat. You understand? You want the meat to sweat. So while the meat is sweating, I'm prepping my plantains. Yeah, I'm using ripe plantains. So I missed the clip where I added when the meat has sweat, I added some water. Yeah, because you realize that the meat is gonna release its own juice. So when that happens, you're gonna add more water so that the meat cooks throughout. You understand? So when you add water, you're gonna concentrate on frying your plantains. You understand? You want to fry your plantains until it's golden brown. Now I also went in now off camera. I also went in now with some green pepper and some deseeded tomatoes. So my camera again wanted to send you guys hugs. Okay, so she stirred the pot and everything. So when the plantains were ready, we mixed everything so that they can be perfectly incorporated. And this was like the final layout. We added a little bit of oil, added more soya spice because we wanted it really wanted to perceive and taste the aromatics, semantics of the soya spice. Okay, so when we did that, you can just now serve and enjoy. So this is the final plating of the video. Please do well to like, subscribe, comment if you're going to try the recipe, and please do well to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Thank you so much for watching.